So pretty successful trip into town. I didn't actually go into Rishikesh. I went into sort of a suburb of Rishikesh, just a mile stretch, lots of storefronts, basically like your standard town in India, or kind of just a section in a big city. So I walked up and down the street, it's about a mile stretch. I took the Google Earth sort of style, took a picture of every single storefront. From there, to kind of sort the information, I got rid of all the restaurants, kind of all the shop owners that were just selling luxury sort of things like that, and only counted single-use item stores. So this is an example of kind of a single-use. They all have these hanging in the storefront. This is the mouth freshener I spoke of earlier, and this is the Tide packet. When I came out with the totals of just single-use selling kind of shops, I came up with 42 shops in this mile stretch. So that kind of really indicates it's kind of the reverse of Costco around here. People are like single users over here, kind of day to day. There's plenty of shops that are very nearby that they can make it's almost having like all their storage is just down the street. So how do I sort this information? What I did was I came up with a graph and I labeled each item, or I at least classified each item from 1 through 4. So a 4 is a daily item, something that is a necessity and you use daily. An example of that would be soap. 3 is a weekly necessity, so you need this, but you don't need to buy it every single day. And I said this for toothpaste, just because toothpaste can last a little bit longer. A daily but not necessity is marked out as a 2. An example of that would be tobacco. Obviously that's like a choice. I'm not going to get into like tobacco use or anything like that, but that's what I use for an example. And the last thing is, this thing is a number 1. It's a total luxury. I label this as like, it's just a mouth freshener. It's kind of like gum in the States. So from here on out, what I think I'm going to do is just kind of classify items and really try and pinpoint where the mask sticker would fall into, because I think I'm beginning to see where I could sell the sticker and how it could be delivered and at what price it needs to be and all that sort of thing. So that's what I got so far. This is actually my last day in Rishikesh. I take a bus tonight into Delhi and then spend all day Delhi and then fly out. Saturday, a little side story, I don't like buses. The last time I took a bus, I was in Dharamsala, heading from Dharamsala to Delhi. It was the last leg of my last trip to India, and the bus driver was drunk, ended up breaking the windshield, getting into 2 accidents, driving out of the Himalayas in the middle of a lightning storm. I swore I'd never take a bus again, but here I am. Wish me luck. I'll talk to you hopefully soon.
Jade,
Alexander,
do you remember that day you fell out of my window?
I sure do. You came jumping